Now there's a new Tramp and a Mal and Bailey. And Mal's not real happy. They're not real happy with this situation. Stay there, Tramp. Now, got all my babies on my bed. Yeah, all of them babies. Tramp. Yeah. Yep. There's Bailey Butt protecting Sissy. Yeah, that's a good Bailey Butt. Him's good. And her real good. And Mel real good. Ain't you good, Mel? You good? She not happy. She's still scared. It's okay, baby. Dad can be good.